Welcome to another demo in CodeIgniter Wizard tutorial series. In this video, I'll download and install the sample movies database for MySQL called Sakila from the MySQL developer website. The Sakila sample database was initially developed by Mike Hillyer, a former member of the MySQL documentation team, and is intended to provide a standard schema that can be used for examples in books, tutorials, articles, samples, and so forth. We'll be using it in another demo video to automatically create a web application with CodeIgniter Wizard. Additional information on the Sakila sample database and its usage can be found here. This diagram provides an overview of Sakila sample database structure. The diagram source file, which can be used with MySQL Workbench, is included in the Sakila distribution and is named sakila.mwb, though we won't be using that one for now in this demo. After the download the SQL dump is complete, I will switch to Navicat to create a new blank database on our demo MySQL server that resides on a virtual machine in our internet. Next, I will recreate the Sakila schema in this database by using the DDL from the downloaded dump file. Now, when I check these tables, they contain no data at this point. So I will populate it with the sample data, which is in the other dump file. When the upload is complete, I will refresh the film table. Now you can see 1,000 records consisting of sample data. In another video, we'll be demonstrating how to create a web application created with CodeIgniter Wizard using this table from the database, also demonstrating the fast resource-efficient lazy loading capabilities of CI/Wiz. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so, and leave a comment below. Thank you, and see you in our next demo.